VEVOR just ended up gifting us this desktop 12-inch vinyl cutter. This thing is really cool. It's nice and slick, great color. This is the version with the touchscreen on it. It does have Bluetooth capable, but they also give you a USB cord to attach to your laptop, your tablet, your phone. You can use various different apps. It does come with a licensing code for ExactCut, which is their software to run this, and it comes with 5,000 different clip arts, so you can get going right away. For us, we're more focused on making decals and letters for signage, but this thing is great for arts and crafts. You can make all kinds of stickers, embroider things, and just sky's the limit. We're just not that artsy. We prefer just the utilitarian of this. But it comes with pretty much everything you need to get started. Comes with a couple pieces of sample paper to try it out, and then you're going to want to obviously buy more. Comes with this mat here. It's going to go under your artwork, and it's going to allow you to cut out on top of that. USB thumb drive here gives you all the instructions, download information, so that gets you going. And again, the ExactCut licensing key, and then several different cutters for different applications. So for us, again, we're being cutting a lot of vinyl stickers for graphics and so forth. So this thing, it is very precise. So you can see here, we're trying it out with the stock photo, and we're cutting out this cat. And then here's the end result. Very precision cutting on something this small. This unit is perfect for anybody who wants to cut out decals or arts and crafts project that want a lot of detail, down to little whiskers like this. So this thing is very precise. And this is a great unit just to get going in the hobby, or if you're going to be a small business owner and need to do a lot of decals like us, this is perfect for us. It doesn't take up a lot of room. Comes with the software, and then comes with all the parts to get it going. So very happy with the unit so far.